guys, Brian here from Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to walk you through installing our tablet mount on your Ranger XP 1000. For the first step, you'll want to mount our ball mount to our mount plate. You'll use the small socket cap screws provided in the hardware kit. Once you get all four of them started, you can tighten them up using a 9/64 Allen wrench and an 11/32 socket. We'll now take our telescoping arm. As you can see, both ends of it have provisions to fasten to a ball mount. This will provide you maximum adjustability. What you'll want to do is loosen it up just enough to slide the mount over our ball mount. Once you have it in place, you can go ahead and snug it up. There's no need to fully tighten it now, as we'll readjust it once in the vehicle. We can go ahead and fasten our tablet mount to our telescoping arm. You'll repeat the same process as our lower mount. Adjust it out enough that the ball will slip in the socket, and then lightly snug it up, as we'll adjust it more once we get it in the vehicle. Here you can see the adjustment knob for your tablet mount. This allows for adjustment depending on your tablet style. Once you have the mount properly adjusted to your tablet, you can just tighten down the nut and move on to the next step. For the next step, we'll go ahead and place our mount plate in position. With it in position, you can see how it follows the lines of the dash. With our mount plate in position, we can go ahead and fasten it to the dash using our 4 Phillips head screws. With our mount plate in position, we can now use a drill with a Phillips head bit and our pointed screws from the hardware kit to fasten our mount plate to the dash. There's no need to over tighten these. Once you have your mount plate securely fastened using our Phillips head screws, you can adjust it to your liking so that it places the tablet wherever you'd like to be able to access it while you're going down the trail. With your tablet mount fully adjusted, you're ready to hit the trails and enjoy your new Thumper Fab tablet mount for your Ranger XP 1000.